This is our basicDIM wireless sensor. It's a luminaire inbuilt sensor with an integrated wireless module. The technology is basicDIM wireless. That means it's Casambi ready and can also be used in Casambi installations. It is for low bay application. The sensor technology is a passive infrared sensor, and it has movement detection and also light sensing. It has also an inbuilt communication module with a DALI output. That means you can communicate with a DALI driver and control the driver and configure it. It's powered over DALI. That means it gets its power from either powered DALI driver or an external DALI power supply. But the major benefit of this new sensor is that the antenna is next to the sensor element. That means if it's integrated in the luminaire, the antenna is looking out of the luminaire and enables a perfect wireless distribution, even if you install it in a metal luminaire. The sensor has 3 possibilities for mounting. There are 2 Zhaga compatible ways to mount the luminaire, to mount the sensor, and also 1 cutout for a design option. Let's start with the design option. As you can see here, the design option is just a cutout only for the sensor element and the antenna unit. And you can barely see it. This is perfect if you want to have a nice looking luminaire where you don't want to see that there's a sensor inbuilt. The next one, the first one for a Zhaga cutout, is the one for 44 by 17 cutout. It's a rectangular shaped cutout. This is this one. And with this cutout, you're able to fix the sensor. You mount the sensor from the inside and fix it with a bezel, which comes with the product. One additional feature of this bezel is the integrated shutter. So you can prevent the detection of movement from a certain direction. My personal favorite is the second option of the Zhaga cutout. It's a 60 by 22 rectangular shape cutout. Why is that? Because you're able to retrofit a sensor even if the luminaire is an installed basis and is already on the ceiling. How is it done? You have a blind cover, which has also this shape. And with this blind cover, we have on the back side a fixing for the Zhaga cable. So Zhaga defines not only the cutout, but also the plugs and the cabling, which enables then, if you remove this blind cover, to take our sensor with a special adapter for the 60 by 22 cutout to be fitted in. Also available as accessory. Connect the 2 parts and mount it. And I mean, it doesn't have to be done on the table. It's also possible on the ceiling without opening the luminaire, without modifying the luminaire, and without taking the risk of losing a certification, which is very, very important, especially if it comes to wireless technology. And now I have my basicDIM wireless sensor connected. And of course, if I open the 4BT remote app, I'm able to control the luminaire, configure the sensor, or to configure the system itself.